Hi guys, it's Cassie. Welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're a seasoned subscriber. Today, we have a luxury haul slash triple designer shoe unboxing. This is big, this is legendary, and they're all from the same designer. Who is it? We're about to find out. Guys, if you're new here, my name is Cassie. I am a self-diagnosed luxury addict. I put out videos on Wednesdays and Fridays, so if you like luxury fashion, then you're probably gonna like those too. So head down there, click the red button, subscribe, turn on the notification bell, become a member of our luxury addicted family. When are we going to rehab? Never. Guys, are you ready? Let's open them up. Let's pop the trunk. Okay, so all of these shoes are by Amina Muaddi, who, if you don't know, is making the hottest, the most popular designer shoes out right now. Like, I'm not even joking. Like, I will tell you how hard it was to get these. I have post notifications on for whenever this woman posts on both her personal and the official Amina Muaddi shoe page. Okay, that is how determined I was to get these sodding shoes. Now, let me tell you. So, she tweeted like 3 days ago that she was doing a capsule collection with Browns, and I jumped into action, okay? I was refreshing that Browns page, I was refreshing the FARFETCH page because I know Browns goes through FARFETCH again. So actually all of these ended up being from FARFETCH. 2 of these are from that capsule collection and one was just an oddity that popped up at the right place at the right time. Okay, so they come in these glorious white boxes. You know me, I love a magnetic closure. Glorious. Okay, so, okay. Blush pink satin dust bag, love it. Again, with her name on there. Okay, slightly disappointed that there is only one. However, you know, I mean, it's fine. I'll deal with it. Oh my gosh, they are just absolutely fabulous. So these are the Begum Slingback Suede Rembrandt brackets bronze. I don't know. By the way, if any of this is still available, I'm gonna link it below, but you need to be fast because the hot. What a woman, you know? She is sexy and sophisticated, but she's got an edge, okay? And you know if you've been on this channel long enough that that is what I am after. I am after anything with a sodding edge. These were £620, and I mean, is she not just giving you Disney princess vibes? You glorious, glorious queen. Okay, so as I said, I bought a 39, never had any of her things before, so, oh my gosh, it fits perfectly. Oh, so freaking cute. Usually a point really gets to me because I feel like it looks ever so slightly witchy, okay? And I'm not really here for a witchy vibe, but these are actual perfection. Now, if you've seen my luxury wishlist video, you know that I had the Gilda sandals on there, and I saw that she was doing the Gilda style for this safari collection, and I just, Cassie with $2 just had to. Okay, I'm actually surprised at how very delicate these straps are because I kind of expected them to stand up by themselves. I don't even know what print this is. Is it leopard? Is it giraffe? But then the spots are too small to be a giraffe, but then they're too angular to be a leopard. Who knows? I mean, she is leaving people quaking. And here I am, just in jeans, and look at her. How cute. What a babe. And may I just say the comfort level of these shoes, because you have that wide bottom, these shoes were literally selling out. And within, like, I'm not even joking, within the first like 2 minutes of them being on the site, it was already saying one left. So I was like moving fast, okay? I was like ninja senses to the rescue. I was going for it. There was no way I wasn't gonna have a pair of these shoes. If you've been trying to get your hands on a pair of Amina Muaddi shoes, it's difficult. Okay, last pair of shoes. These actually weren't from this safari collection, but for some reason, I refreshed FARFETCH and one came up in a size 39, and I was like, When the opportunity arises, you take it. Lose yourself, M&M. You only have one shot to make it count. Okay? So I put that in my basket and here she sodding is. Okay? This is so different as well. We have a toe ring moment. Listen, I know you're horrified. Calm yourselves. I saw this on a picture and I was like, I'm a little bit shaken, okay? Because I thought that I would hate a toe ring moment. But we're gonna try it on, we're gonna see if I hate it in person. So these, I believe, are called the Aura sandal, like Rita Ora. I mean, we're not here about my celebrity opinions, but she's not high on my list. The difference that makes, that tiny little embellished toe. I mean, if you're going to have a toe ring, make it sparkly and make it, you know, part of an Amina Muaddi shoe. You know, what more do you sodding want? Size 39, true to size. These were 620, these were 720, as were these, okay? I tell you one thing, we can start removing these because there's absolutely no way in hell I'm returning these and losing. Come on. Oh, gee, why? This is how I go and break the shoe, Cassie. We're gonna continue that off camera. If you're not quite sick of me yet, then I would suggest that you go to this video, which is things that I suggest you don't buy. Okay, luxury items you should not buy. Don't buy these luxury items, okay? I'm gonna put that right here for your viewing pleasure. Have an amazing morning, afternoon, or evening, wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah! Bye, guys.